Hi guys, welcome to China's kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make plantain and egg frittata, popularly known as plantain pizza in Nigeria. So sit back and relax while I take you through the process in a bit. I am going to be kickstarting this dish by preparing the plantains. I do this by peeling the plantain and cutting them into round shapes, making sure that they are at least 2 inches thick so that they don't sink into the frittata. I salt them and fry on already heated oil until they are golden brown. Afterwards, I season the beef with a seasoning cube, some salt, some thyme, some curry powder, and then I mix to properly combine. Next off, I saute the beef with little oil, about 2 tablespoons of oil, and I cook it until it is a little browned. After that, I drizzle some oil into the pan and I saute some onions. I add some chopped garlic and saute a bit to extract its flavor. And then I add the chopped tomatoes, some pepper, one seasoning cube, some salt, some curry powder, some thyme, and I stir to properly combine, and then I allow to cook for some minutes. Finally, I add some green bell pepper and red bell pepper for some more flavor and a pop of color. I'm not going to overcook so that it retains its vibrant colors. Next off, I crack open some eggs. I season with some salt and I give a good whisk. I add the fried tomatoes, the beef, and I add some more green bell pepper and red bell pepper. I generously coat the pan with some oil. It is very important that you use a non-stick pan so that the frittata does not stick to the pan. I go in with the egg mixture and then I place the plantain onto the egg mixture in a circular motion. Afterwards, I graze with some more bell peppers. Then I cover and allow to cook for about 20 to 25 minutes, setting the heat to the lowest. I also want to add that you shouldn't be tempted to open the pot during the cooking process so as to obtain a perfect frittata. Now this has been cooking for about 23 minutes. You know that your frittata is properly cooked when it is firmed up. I take out of the heat and allow it to cool down a bit before serving. If you found this video helpful, please like, drop a nice comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.